Hello, this is Pusik, and this is my first beginner's tutorial. Um, my graphic isn't like this. It's just I had to put it down to get higher FPS. Although it's still a bit low, but I guess it'll do. Stop moving around. In this tutorial, I'll go through what wire is, how it works, and I give you a small example as well. What wire is basically just math, numbers, comparison, and some functions. Well, you don't have to care about the functions now, though. I'll go through those later on in my tutorials. Um, yeah, wire is just numbers. You send numbers between different things. Depending on what numbers, you get different results and all that. If you pay attention to your math class, then you learn wire in no time. Cars coming. Okay. Well, yeah, I'll give you a small example of what you can do with wire. Um, Here you got the tool menu. You get all kind of tools. I'm gonna go through this menu later on. Um, Although we're gonna use this panel here. Here you got all kind of algorithm methods and comparison and timers, and yeah, we're gonna use a greater than though. You're in my way, go away. Gauge comparison, a greater than, place that there. And ranger. A ranger is it's not a melon. It's a thing which you can track things with. That's within this beam. That is, you can track all kind of things. Distance, position, velocity, angle, color. Yeah, yeah. You can, if you want, you can explore those by yourself, or I'll go through them in other tutorial. I'm not sure though. We're gonna use aperture distance and this range, depending of it's how long the beam should be. Now it's 100. Now if I change it to 1,000, the beam will go much longer, and it will sense me all over here, back here. Let's have it to 100 though. Also, if you have the beam, it's if you want. Although, if you want to have the beam, you can have it. Although it can be a bit laggy, so I suggest you don't use it. But yeah, I'll use it now for the simplicity. Default to 0 means like if nothing breaks the beam, the value will be 0. As you can see, the branch is 0 now because the default is the 0. If I remove that and then do like that, when nothing breaks the beam, it'll be 100. And if I break it, it'll go down. And if nothing breaks it, it's 100. It's the same here, just the default is 0. Also, we're gonna use turrets. The white turret is like a normal turret. All the settings is the same. This is the sound, the tracer of the bullets. I'm gonna place the turrets right here because there is some delay on the ranger. It's because it's not updating the distance. So even if I run through it fast, it will not get me when I'm directly in the beam. So I'll just put them like that. Um, if you aim at those, hover over the turrets, you'll see fire with your wire. But down here is your wire tools. Debugger, you can. It's really good if you have any problem with your wire and you don't really know what it is. Just press the thing, and you'll see at the left of the screen over there. You'll see all the values. We haven't got anything now though, so yeah. Namer tool, you can name your things. Here to name. wire and wire advanced tool. There's really no different in wire and wire advanced tool. It's just the menu which is different. I like to use wire advanced tool though. I think you should too because it's much more easier to see what you're wiring. I'm also gonna add a beam to so you see it. So we're gonna start with wiring A to the Ranger, greater than A to the Ranger. Oh, you gotta go. It's a crab. Um, so now, okay, so, the Ranger value is 0, and, I mean, right, as you see, we haven't wired the B yet, although, default is 0, so we don't have to wire B, but if we want to, I can do it just so you understand my point. If I do it, B. This is practically the same thing. It's not greater than 0, so the greater becomes 1. If I spin it, the Ranger becomes 43 as it is now, and then the Ranger will be greater than 0. So then the Ranger greater than could become 1. So if I wire fire to the greater than, it will now. Wait, crab, can you walk into this? I wanna kill you. Yeah. Here's my point. I'm gonna wait just because else I just end up walking into it. Well, if you hover over the thing which you wired, you can press R and then it will unwire it. Yeah. Well, if I unwire that and then, whoops, I don't want to change that. Then wire those, it will still shoot me and I will fly away. Okay. Well, I hope you understood what I was doing. Basically, greater than, if Ranger is greater than 0, then these should fire. I can put up a picture of the how wide it is as well. I'm gonna add it to the movie. Holy shit. Uh, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this. Post it in the comments if there was something you didn't like. If yeah, if I explain it, if I explain it a bit funny or yeah, whatever you like. See ya till the next tutorial.